Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the best video editor in the market, DaVinci Resolve for free. So let's jump into the video. On Google or Bingo type download DaVinci Resolve, first link in the search, click on it. We are on the page, click on the download button. Most often on this page people don't understand which version to choose. DaVinci Resolve is free version. DaVinci Resolve Studio is paid version. With the free version, you should be able to do almost everything, especially if you are a beginner. In the registration form, just type any information you want. Don't have to type your real information. Here we have a download link, 1.6 gigabytes. That's going to take a while. We are back. The download is completed. I'm going to open the setup in my zip file, but you can extract if you want. If you need video editing and some effects, press install. You don't need other options. The default location is good for me, and let's start the installation. That's gonna take a while. Let's start DaVinci Resolve. If you start this program for the first time, it will give more choices like video resolution choice, where to store your media, but I can change everything in project settings later. DaVinci Resolve main tabs are at the bottom. The most important tab is the Edit tab, where you will spend the most time. To edit project settings, click on this icon. We have several different resolution options. Here you can find resolution settings, frame rate settings. Basically, in the timeline format, you can set video exporting settings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.